All right, here we go. What is this?
Cran.
I could take that for you.
Cran.
I'm just kidding. I was straight white label.
Oh, Jesus Christ, he coughed. Oh.
Look, it's got a warning label on it.
Oh. No.
That ain't no fucking cran.
Oh, that wasn't cranberry.
That's
That was-
fucking straight moonshine.
That was straight
Oh, that
white
was
label,
straight up
baby.
moonshine. You. Oh, you fuck.
Grow up.
Oh. Oh. That wasn't even cool.
Grow up.
Dude, that was not even cool. Oh, Chuck's over there throwing up.
Oh, that stuff is disgusting.
Oh, god damn.
That's-
Oh, I'm not even doing a shot with you no more. That's bullshit.
Oh, that was
No. I was ready for cranberry.